Today, we're taking a deep dive into the USB 3.0 Dual-Port Gigabit Ethernet Adapter with one NICE USB pass-through, a high-speed network programming and virtualization tool that's perfect for network simulation and security enthusiasts. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, this adapter provides a streamlined solution for adding two independent network ports via a single USB 3.0 connection, making it an essential piece for network security analysis, traffic monitoring, and multi-network testing. The adapter is engineered with powerful functionality at its core. With dual gigabit Ethernet ports supporting 10-100 1000 Mbps connectivity, it makes client-server simulation and virtual machine networking a breeze. Whether you're setting up separate network interfaces for advanced VM configurations or testing multi-NIC setups, this device delivers consistent, high-bandwidth performance. Additionally, its 110 USB 3.0 pass-through port ensures that you never lose a connection for other peripheral devices, allowing you to work seamlessly without compromising on connectivity or convenience. Equipped with two LED indicators, this device not only offers visual feedback for connectivity and activity status, but also leverages the robust ASICS AX88179A chipset, renowned for reliable and rapid data transfer. Industry standards such as IEEE 802.3i, 802.3u, 802.3ab, and 802.3az ensure that it meets modern networking benchmarks. This translates into an agile solution for users who require detailed network segmentation, virtualization, and diagnostics tools for both attack and defense network security scenarios. In real-world applications, users have reported smooth integration across various operating systems, including Windows 10, 11, and even specific Mac OS versions, with a note on the lack of VLAN tagging support, as well as popular Linux distributions such as Ubuntu 20.04. The adapter is ideal for professionals engaged in network security testing, developers needing multiple network interfaces, and IT administrators managing complex network infrastructures. However, it does have its drawbacks. Notably, it does not support link aggregation, which may limit its utility in environments requiring aggregated throughput bundles. When compared to similar products in the market, this adapter stands out due to its combination of dual Ethernet ports and a dedicated pass-through USB 3.0 port. It attempts to combine convenience and performance in one compact design. To get the most out of this device, ensure your system drivers are updated and leverage the LED indicators for real-time diagnostics. Make sure to test your setup in both virtualization and real network conditions for optimal configuration. Overall, the USB 3.0 Dual-Port Gigabit Ethernet Adapter is a robust, versatile tool that offers clear advantages for network programming and security testing. If you're a network security professional, virtualization enthusiast, or simply looking for enhanced network configuration tools, this adapter is definitely worth considering.